Hello again. A few days ago, somebody reached out to me for a particular question, and I just rushed to solve the question without even having to take time to look at the question. And it was a kind of a very tricky percentage question. And when I just rushed into it and I came out with an answer, I was very embarrassed because I was not correct. Now let's look at the question in question. All right. He said Femi bought a bag for 3,000 naira from his pocket money. If 60% of his money is left, how much was his pocket money? Now, if you look at this question very carefully, you will just quickly rush, you know, if you were like me on that particular fateful day, this is what you will do. You just rush and say, okay, 60% of 3,000 naira. This will cancel this, and you have 60 times 30. What are you going to get? 1,800. This is the answer. Well, it is an emphatic no. This is not correct. If you solve this question like this, your answer is wrong. Now, let's carefully take a good look at the question. Before you solve it, very carefully look at the question. Now, take a look at the question. It said, Femi bought a bag for 3,000 naira, meaning that this money wasn't actually the money that Femi had initially from his pocket money, meaning that Femi originally had a pocket money, but we do not know how much the pocket money is. So now let's say pocket money equals to X. Okay. So now, if 60% of his money is left, how much was his pocket money? How much is this? That's what we are looking for. We do not know his pocket money, and it is his pocket money we are looking for. Now, we have been given a little information there. 60% of his money is left. So, meaning that since his pocket money is X, 60% of S, which is his pocket money, let me take it here so that you can see it. 60% of X, what is that going to give us? It is going to give us 60 over 100 times X. That is 60% of his pocket money. Remember, his money is S, the pocket money. So now, let's do something now. 0 will cancel 0. 2 here we have 3. 2 here we have 5. That means 60% of his money is actually 3S over 5. I hope you can see that. 3S over 5. This is actually the what? 60% of his money. Now, if 3,000 naira was taken from his money, what is going to happen? It means that if his pocket money is S and 3,000 naira was actually taken from his pocket money, what we are going to have left will be X minus 3,000 is left. This is actually the money left. Now, from the question, it is said that 60% of that money left is what is this? Are you seeing it? So, meaning that 3x over 5 equals to x minus 3,000. Why? Because it is 60% of his money that is what is left, and it is x minus 3,000, meaning that 3x all over 5 equals to x minus 3,000. So now let's collect like terms now. Collect Like, first of all, multiply both sides by 5. Multiply both sides by 5. That will give us 5 times 3x over 5 equals to 5 times x minus 3000. When you do that, 5 will cancel 5 here. We have 3x is equals to 5x, then 5 times 3000, we have 15,000. So collect like terms. When you do that, you are going to, let's take 15,000 here so that we'll have a positive number. We have 15,000 equals to 5x minus 3x. What are you going to get? 15,000 equals to 5x minus 3x will get 2x. So how do we get x? Divide both sides by 2. Okay, when you do that, you have 15,000 over 2 equals to 2x over 2. 2 cancel 2, 2 here 1, 2 into 15,000, you have what? You have 7,500 equals to x. Meaning that the money or his pocket money originally, x, is equals to 7,500. So when next you see something like this, do not rush to a conclusion. Actually, take a very close look at the question before you come with the answer. Bye.